Hi, welcome to another Gleematic demo video. Today, I will show you how Gleematic edit and load the G-code in the CNC software. People at manufacturing industry usually use this software to program the machine. This time, I will try to draw a circular pocket in the CNC software. This gray box is the place for the G-code when we load the script. And this blank black box is the place where we can see the circular pocket that we're going to create after this. This is the G-code script that will be typed by Gleematic later. Now we go to our designer and click the play button. Now Gleematic is taking over. Gleematic click on the Edit G-code button and the CNC software will provide us a notepad to type the script. Now Gleematic is typing the script on the notepad provided by the CNC software. So that's not a notepad from our Windows, but it's provided by the CNC software. After finish typing the script, Gleematic save it and click the Load G-code button. Now we can see the script on the gray box. And this is the circular pocket. This is just a simple action in CNC software.